Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Final Cut Pro plugins safely step by step clearly. To uninstall Final Cut Pro plugins safely, start by opening your Final Cut Pro application. Ensure that you are in the main interface of the software. Next, locate the Effects panel. Click on it to view all installed plugins. Identify the plugin you wish to uninstall. Make a note of its name for later reference. Close Final Cut Pro to ensure there are no active processes running. Open Finder on your Mac. Select Go from the menu bar at the top of the screen. Choose Go to Folder from the drop-down menu. In the dialog box, type in the path /library plugins or /library audio /plugins depending on the plugin type. Press Go to navigate to the folder. Look for the folder corresponding to the plugin you want to uninstall. Once you locate it, drag the plugin folder to the trash. Alternatively, you can right-click on the folder and select Move to Trash. Empty the trash to completely remove the plugin from your system. Reopen Final Cut Pro to allow the changes to take effect. Check the Effects panel to ensure that the plugin no longer appears. If necessary, restart your computer for the changes to fully register. You have now successfully uninstalled the Final Cut Pro plugin safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.